Have you ever wondered how AI can create art, write stories, or even compose music that seems almost human? Welcome to the fascinating world of generative AI. Imagine having a creative assistant that can understand and generate content just like a human would. But how does it really work? At its core, generative AI uses complex neural networks trained on massive data sets to learn patterns and create new content. Think of it like teaching a computer to be creative by showing it millions of examples. But can machines truly be creative? Generative AI works through a process called training, where it analyzes existing content and learns to identify patterns and relationships. When given a prompt, it can generate new, original content based on what it has learned. What makes this technology so revolutionary? Unlike traditional AI that simply follows rules, generative AI can innovate and create something entirely new. From DALL-E creating stunning artwork to ChatGPT writing poetry, these systems are pushing the boundaries of artificial creativity. But what are the implications for human creativity? While some worry that AI might replace human artists, others see it as a powerful tool for augmentation and inspiration. The future lies in collaboration between human creativity and AI capabilities. Ready to explore more? Here are some essential readings. 1. Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig. 2. GENs in Action by Jakob Langer and Vladimir Bach. 3. The OpenAI blog for latest developments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We release new AI and quantum computing videos every day.